Good news, Ghana. Frank Bomame. Great news. As Richie Mensah, Richie, abakwasem kakra, ono anka so ye dwumtuni. Atete no nyata nyompe ne he was known for the piano no. And now you know the name, right? Boma Bra no abo adwuma. Ono anka sabo onu ye na graduate no ho. Efa artist share na say and obey record label or sign artist we to say ASEM Sem obada tem and I for sign abaya that time no ye Ghana first lady easy baby ene or ye medical so empna bom fama no obi dey say in that partner session e be na Gen Z fa hu nipa making tie ya dey amome enka no ade na ye medical empna no ade na necessary and or sign OJ Big Boy Lover nyame fa ne kra ensie or sign Miss V e so aba to the new school e sign Kwame Eugene and Akidi or sign Maya Blue kwa de we free one say enti this is somebody wait me I kind of plane and plane fa say what you need use from ono ane ho as a musician to nurturing artist talent enti enge won wan say Grammy Awards edeno aka voting member no ehomumbo. This is good news for Ghana. Member no nya so ono nko ade vote am Ghana for ye nominate Beyonce pro we say you say mumu ye mum put some respect on the red gold green to the black star no mumu ye ko Ghana ni ka ho. It is the Recording Academy names Richie Mensah a voting member of the Grammy Awards mumu mfama no na yeso efutu kakra be show was a Ghana de Pinenya poster en channel metri no aisa ka apem na yesi ye besrew pa sa ho brasie nyamesuro no kredie nyese ye be nominate obuni ni say nti wo vote ma no aha nipa no deserve am patcho vote ma no yeso ye ruti eta wachi pa yeta wachi die mu ede you know the name right big up yourself sabum fa emano still